Okay, here's my laundry room. The wall here has some strange property. Nothing electrical devices is here. No socket, no switches. However, I found when I was in the kitchen, my wife is not included here. I found, the ELF, extremely low frequency radiation, get very strong. When I opened the meter, it's gone. So I checked in 2020, that's October 9th. Usually here it's 4 mg. That's high. It's higher than the ambient situation. Usually, in this house, should be approach 0. But in my house, sometimes it's 0.20. But at this point, it's very high. It used to be 4, but in that date, October 9th, 2020, it's 12 mg. This is not the highest record. Actually, the highest record, I have the photo, is more than 70 mg. So once I want to open this to have a look what's behind the drywall. But my wife stopped me. She called the police, and the police ordered me, I can't open the wall. And I want to open it, I just want to see what's behind it. And I will fix it myself. I can't do that. But they don't let me do that. And I told to the police, I said, let's open it together and see what's there. They refused to do so. I believe there's some kind of radiator, the transmitter behind here, and it can be remote controlled. Someday I'll open it, but not now. Many strange things. It was built in when the house was built. So many TIs didn't realize that they are being attacked by EMF or ELF radiation. However, so many people's legs were ruined in the kitchen. When I was in the kitchen, my legs, the lower part of my legs, are always under attacks. It feels, sour, dry, swelling. I see in the mental health inpatient rooms in Peterborough Hospital, many people, I know that they are TIs like me, have leg problems. Many of them can't walk. They have to walk with a walker. James Lawrence, one of the so-called patients with me in the same room, couldn't walk. his biggest hope is to walk again. But the strange thing is, while he was in mental health inpatient room, and they are treating, the so-called treating, the leg problems. And I was there for almost a month, no improvements for him. And I saw at night when the transmitter on the ceiling flashes, my leg or his leg was attacked. When he was sleeping and attacked, he changed, position of his body immediately. He felt that, but he didn't realize that's an attack.